Good health. It seems simple. Eat well, exercise, and get regular checkups. So why is good health a battle that many of us are losing? Because not everyone has the same opportunity to make healthy choices. Even in Fairfax, one of the healthiest communities in Virginia, too many of us live and work in places that make healthy living nearly impossible. That's a problem, because your health is shaped by how and where you live, work, and play. Although medical care is important, optimal health and well-being does not start in hospitals or doctors' offices. They start in our homes, our schools, our workplaces, our playgrounds, and our parks, our grocery stores, our sidewalks, and our streets, in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and much more. The Partnership for a Healthier Fairfax is looking at health differently, looking beyond the healthcare system, working to take down barriers to good health, building the partnerships we need to improve health for all, creating greater opportunities for all, shaping solutions for better outcomes. What are we doing? Investing in prevention, attacking the causes, not just symptoms of poor health, demanding healthy choices that are abundant and obvious, promoting policy changes that improve health. But we can't do it without you. Building a healthier Fairfax is something we must do and can do together. Join us. To learn more, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/livehealthy.